Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. It is already 5 minutes elapsed, so we can't waste any more time. Let's begin the class. Yesterday, in the last class, we learned about resume writing. I gave you an acronym. What was the acronym I gave you for resume writing? Can you tell me? Yes, what was the acronym I gave you for resume writing? Are you there?
NOBSEAI.
Yeah, it is not an acronym. If you pronounce it like that, it is not an acronym. Acronym is an abbreviation which can be pronounced as a word. You have to pronounce it as a word. What was the acronym?
Yes, sir. No
Yes.
BCL.
Huh?
No BCL.
Yeah, why are you taking so much of time? I don't understand. Just 2 days back, we had that class. I don't know how many of you are going to fail English this time. Usually, nobody fails in English. Everybody gets good marks, distinction in English. It seems this time we are going to break the record. Many of you are going to fail. Even now, only 2 students have responded about the acronym. About the acronym, I explained a lot in the last class. On Saturday, I explained in detail about Nobis Air. Yeah, Tanmay, can you expand that acronym?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please expand that acronym.
Resume in nutshell is Nobezier.
Yeah,
O means objective. E means education. S is skills and languages known. E is experience and trainings. A stands for awards. I stands for interests and extracurricular activities, and R stands for references.
yeah. If you remember this Nobis Air, you can write resume very easily. That's why I gave you resume, but many of you are unable to give me the resume. Now, resume cannot go alone. Always resume has to be and resume is also called a CV, curriculum vitae or biodata. Okay, resume is nothing but a curriculum vitae or CV or biodata. We have to prepare separate resume for each job. Okay, on the whole, it may be similar, the structure may be similar, but the skills, your hobbies, and all those things will depend upon the job you are applying for. It changes from job to job. Now, cover letter. A resume cannot go alone. There should be a cover letter also. If you are asked to write a resume in exam, you have to write that resume. Nobis air. That is what you have to follow very simply. And if you are asked to write a cover letter, then only you have to write a cover letter. What is a cover letter? A cover letter is a letter that is attached to the resume. In the cover letter, you tell the employers that you came to know about this advertisement, this job in so and so advertisement. Okay. See, why do you write a letter, cover letter? Because we want to tell them that we have got the news of this job um, from a friend or from a newspaper or so and so, and you have to tell that if given an opportunity, I will work nicely. Thank you very much, sir. So after reading, going through the cover letters, you will get an idea. How is a cover letter different from an official letter? This is a 1 mark question. This comes regularly. This is coming in your exam. How is cover letter different from an official letter? An official letter or any other letter can stand by itself. Everything will be there in the letter. Okay? It need not accompany any resume, anything like that. But a cover letter cannot stand alone. A cover letter tells, I herewith send my resume. I have seen the advertisement of this post in so and so newspaper, or through my friend I came to know about this job. So I am herewith applying for the job. I am enclosing my resume, my qualifications and experience, all these things I am enclosing. That is how you mention in a cover letter. So cover letter cannot go alone. Cover letter cannot go alone. It has to be accompanied by a resume always. But an official letter can stand alone. Official letter అనేది అందులోనే అన్ని ఉంటాయి. It can stand alone. But a cover letter cannot stand alone. Cover letter అయినప్పటికీ కూడా దాని వెంట అది కవర్ చేస్తుంది. కవరింగ్ లెటర్ కాదు. Some people say covering letter. Don't say covering letter. It is not a covering letter. It is a cover letter. Cover letter అంటే రెజ్యూమే తోటి అటాచ్ చేసి ఉన్నటువంటిది. సార్ నేను పలానా న్యూస్ పేపర్లో మీ జాబ్ గురించి అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూసినా, మీ ఇండస్ట్రీ గురించి అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూసినాను, నేను చాలా ఫిట్ అని భావిస్తున్నాను ఈ ఉద్యోగానికి, కనుక నేను అప్లై చేస్తున్నాను, ప్లీజ్ గివ్ మీ జాబ్. ఇఫ్ ద జాబ్ ఈస్ గివెన్ టు మీ, ఐ విల్ వర్క్ with dedication. That is what is given in a cover letter. Okay, what format should be followed while writing cover letter? Exactly like official letter. What should be written in the introductory paragraph of a letter? I told you just now, sir, I came to know about the advertisement, about the job vacancy position from so and so newspaper. That is why I am applying for the job. That should be there in the introductory paragraph. Let us see how many parts does a cover letter have. Let us see. When we go through a cover letter, we'll understand the parts of a cover letter. And the last point also will now a sample cover letter I'm going to show you. Now, can you read the letter? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is a cover letter. Read the sample letter cover, observe how it is organized. Yeah. Now, come on. You observe. I will give you 2 minutes time. You go through and observe. See here, you have the place from where we are writing the letter, and here it is the date. You can write either on left side or on right side. Here on right side also you can write the place from where you are writing the letter and the date, and then the to address. This is to address the personal manager, Lead Technologies India Private Limited, India Limited, Norman Point, Mumbai. Dear sir, subject, reference, subject has to be there. What this letter is about: application for the post of work supervisor. So in the subject, you give the details why you are applying for. Application for the post of work supervisor. Reference, your advertisement number 3 in Deccan Chronicle dated 6th March 2018. Okay, subject and the reference should be there. From this is the place, date, to address, addressing, salutation. This is also called salutation. Dear sir is called salutation. Okay, place, date, to address, salutation, subject, reference, content, thank you, and postscript or subscription. So postscript, yours faithfully, signature and name. Okay, in subject you write for which post you are applying. Reference means after seeing this advertisement in Deccan Chronicle on 6th March 2018, you are applying for both. This is the reference. And then directly you go to the topic. I would like to apply for the post of work supervisor as advertised in the Deccan Chronicle on 6th March 2019. This is the introduction. In the earlier slide, they have asked what will be there in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you give the details of the post you have applied. You are applying directly. I would like to apply for the post of work supervisor as advertised in the Deccan Chronicle on 6th March 2019. 2019, Deccan Chronicle on 6th March 2018. I think it is 2000. Let us make it 2021. Why 2021? Okay, 6th March 2021. And then immediately you take ఈ పేపర్లో అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ చూసినా ఈ పోస్ట్కి అప్లై చేస్తున్నా. దట్ విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్. సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ లో నేను నా రెజ్యూమేని ఎంక్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాను, క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ నా డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఉంటాయి అందులో, అది ఏ రకంగా నేను ఎలిజిబుల్ అనేది ఉంటుంది రెజ్యూమేలో అని చెప్తున్నాను. ఐ హియర్ విత్ ఎంక్లోజ్ మై రెజ్యూమే విచ్ లిస్ట్ మై క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ అండ్ లిస్ట్ all relevant details about my experience for your kind perusal. Perusal means go through carefully. Peruse nunchi perusal vachindi. Go through carefully. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Idi kuda cheppale. It may be an esteemed organization or not, but meeku neeku udyogam istunnaga adi definitely esteemed organization. Kachithanga you have to write like this. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Thank you, yours faithfully. Ikkada yours faithfully kinda signature pettale. Ikkada signature ani rastam. Signature ani rashi avasam ledhu. You just write say sign here and then your name. So this is the structure of a cover letter. Idi photo తీసుకోండి. Take a screenshot. This is what you have to write. మీకు కవర్ లెటర్ అనగానే దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ యు ఆర్ సపోజ్ టు రైట్. ఎగ్జామ్లో కవర్ లెటర్ అని వచ్చిందంటే ఓకే, ఏమన్నా మారుతుంది, ఏం మారుతుంది, ఈ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ గురించి ఏమన్నా అందులో డీటెయిల్స్ ఇచ్చినట్టయితే ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ ఇన్ ద క్వశ్చన్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్. యువర్ అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ నెంబర్స్ 34 ఇన్ ద హిందూ డేటెడ్ 17th June 2021. ఆ డేట్ మారుతుందేమో, ఏ పేపర్లో చూసినా మారుతుందేమో. తర్వాత ఇదంతా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు అప్లై ఫర్ ద పోస్ట్ ఆఫ్, ఇక్కడ వర్క్ సూపర్వైజర్ ఉంది, మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో క్వశ్చన్లో జూనియర్ ఇంజనీర్ అన్నాడు అనుకో, లేకపోతే టెక్నీషియన్ జాబ్ అన్నాడు అనుకో, రైట్ ఏ కవర్ లెటర్ అలాంగ్ విత్ ద రెజ్యూమే టు అప్లై ఫర్ ద పోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ జూనియర్ ఇంజనీర్ ఇన్ సో అండ్ సో కంపెనీ అను. అప్పుడు నువ్వేమంటావు, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు అప్లై ఫర్ ద పోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ జూనియర్ ఇంజనీర్ అంటాం, లేదా సూపర్వైజర్ అంటే సూపర్వైజర్ అంటాం, లేదా టెక్నికల్ అసిస్టెంట్ అంటే టెక్నికల్ అసిస్టెంట్ అంటాం. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద జాబ్, ఏ జాబ్ అయితే ఆ ప్లేస్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ ఈ సెకండ్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఉంటుంది. సో అందుకని ఇదంతా మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఐ హ్యావ్ ఎన్క్లోజ్ మై రెజ్యూమే విచ్ లిస్ట్ మై క్వాలిఫికేషన్ అండ్ లిస్ట్ ఆల్ రెలవెంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ అబౌట్ మై ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఫర్ యువర్ కైండ్ పర్యూజల్ అనేది ఏ రెజ్యూమే, ఏ కవర్ లెటర్ కైనా ఈ వాక్యం ఉండాల్సిందే. ఇఫ్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ డిఫరెంట్లీ యూ కెన్ రైట్, అదర్వైజ్ యూ కెన్ రీప్రొడ్యూస్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. ఈ విషయం కూడా ఉండాల్సింది ఎక్కడైనా కానీ. ఐ వుడ్ బి హ్యాపీ ఇఫ్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్ అన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ టు వర్క్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఎస్టీమ్డ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద పార్ట్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఏ కవర్ లెటర్? ప్లేస్ ఫ్రమ్ వేర్ we are writing the letter, date, to address, salutation, subject, reference, introduction, and saying that you are enclosing a resume, and thanks. Okay, thank you, yours faithfully, signature, and your name. These are the parts for any cover letter. It is very easy. I hope all of you have taken a screenshot. Have you taken?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Is it difficult? Is it difficult to write a cover letter?
No, sir.
Right. Okay.
No, sir.
Right. Now let me come back to the slideshow. Now tell me, why do we write a cover letter?
For applying job purpose.
Okay. Along with the resume, we have to enclose a cover letter saying that we are eligible for this job. That is why we are applying. After seeing notification in so and so paper, you are applying for this. All these details will be there. So that is why you write a cover letter. How is cover letter different from an official letter? A cover letter, can it stand alone? Just a cover letter పంపితే సరిపోతుందా?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, a cover letter should always accompany a resume. But an official letter, can it be alone or not?
Yes, sir. It can be alone.
It can
Yes,
be
sir.
sent alone. Okay, that is the difference between an official letter and a cover letter. What format should be followed while writing a cover letter?
The what
First
the
you
order in
find
the
the date.
official letter.
The regular
The
official
order
letter.
which you follow.
Is it different from official letter? The regular official letters format can be followed, kada?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What should be written in the introductory paragraph of a cover letter? What did we write?
From the advertisement, from where did we see the job application?
Yeah, right. How many parts does a cover letter have? What are they? Means you just can close your eyes and you can remember continuously. First, we have written the place, then date, then to address, then salutation, then subject, reference, content, thank you, yours faithfully, signature, and name. Yeah, right? Do you remember all
Yes,
those
sir.
parts?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir.
So these were the
yes,
parts.
sir. That's
Yeah. Yes. So what do you write అంటే అదే విషయాలు ఇప్పుడు చెప్పినటువంటి విషయాలు రాస్తాం. Then now go through the following data and write a cover letter using it quickly. This is a question which is going to come in your examination. Such questions will come in your examination. Go through this and write a cover letter. Job assistant foreman, company Aditya Canopy Builders. So your two address is given here. Advertisement appeared in Deccan Chronicle on 22nd March 2019. Candidate's name Chandramohan. You are Chandramohan here. You are not you. Okay. Candidate's name also is given here. Qualification diploma in mechanical engineering.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, right. Start writing a cover letter.
Okay, sir.
Quickly. Can you see the slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay then.
Please means address.
Yeah, the place is not given.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me. Right, very good doubt. Very good. Now is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, correct. Your doubt is 100% correct. Now we are running classes for second semester and you are appearing for your first semester exams. So that's very tough. Unless you are very attentive, it is very difficult to pass the exams. Be careful. There will not be any relaxation. You have to pass all the exams. Have you seen the notes for first semester and second semester I sent this morning?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
We
just
have seen.
37 for the first semester, 31 for second semester. It is less than 70 periods for both. I have given in detail. Please read it.
Not give the advertisement number also.
If the advertisement number is not there, don't write the number of the advertisement. Just you can write
Okay, sir. Thank you.
whatever is there, you can write. Okay?
Okay.
Advertisement number need not be given. You have to mention that you have seen the advertisement on 22nd March 2019 in Deccan Chronicle. That's all. Has anybody completed? It seems some network problem is there. Many students have left. Tanmay, Tanmay, can you read what you have written?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. On top, I wrote Hyderabad, and then immediately I wrote the date, and then I wrote the two address as. So this is how you have to explain. Okay, Tanmay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
On the top, I have written Hyderabad and the date.
Yeah.
To address the personal manager, Aditya Company of Builders,
Canopy
Hyderabad.
Builders. Yeah,
Canopy Builders, Hyderabad.
Okay.
Dear sir, subject is application for the post of assistant foreman.
Hmm.
Reference is at your advertisement in Deccan Chronicle dated on 22nd March 2019.
Yeah.
The matter is I would like to apply for the post of assistant foreman as advertised in Deccan Chronicle on 22nd March 2019.
Right. Very good.
I here will enclose my resume with which lists all relevant details about my experience of your kind pursuit. I would be happy if I am given an opportunity to work in your esteemed organization. Thank you. Your faithfully, Chandra Mohan.
Right. Very good. Correct. And have you mentioned somewhere that you are a diploma in mechanical engineering? You have completed diploma. As it has been given, this diploma in mechanical engineering is given. Somewhere in the beginning itself, you can mention, I am a diploma in mechanical engineering passed out.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, somewhere you have to mention this one. You cannot miss.
Okay, sir.
Whatever is given in the question has to come in the answer. Right. Now, anybody else?
Sir, I'm Swati, sir.
Yeah, Swati.
On the left side, first we have to write Hyderabad. After that, date March 22nd, 3rd, 2019.
Okay.
After that, the personal manager. Then leads Aditya Canfor Builders, Patan Cheruvu, Hyderabad.
Yeah.
After that, comma. Down, we have to give some space and we have to write Dear Sir. After that, subject.
Okay.
Application for the post of assistant foreman.
Okay.
Then after that, we have to write reference.
Yeah.
Your advertisement in Deccan Chronicle on 22nd, 3rd, 2019.
Okay.
After that, we have to write our matter, what we want to say.
Yeah. What is the matter?
I would like to apply. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I hear. I can hear you.
Okay, sir. I would like to apply for the post of assistant foreman as an advertised in Deccan Chronicle on 22nd, 3rd, 2019. Then after
22nd March. 22nd March.
Sir, 22nd March. I here with enclosed my resume, which leads my qualification. I have completed in diploma in engineering.
Okay.
And list all relevant.
Yeah.
And list all relevant details about experience for your kind pursuit. I would be happy.
Perusal. Perusal.
Okay, sir. Perusal.
Yeah.
I would be happy if I am giving an opportunity
Not
to
giving.
work
If I am given.
If I have given.
If I am given means నువ్వు తీసుకుంటున్నావు. If I have given అంటే నేను ఇచ్చిన అన్నట్టు అవుతుంది. You are not giving. Right?
Okay, sir. to work in your esteemed organization. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Chandra Mohan.
Right, very good. Now, this is how we have to write a cover letter. I hope sufficient revision also has been made by Tanmay and Swati. And
Thank you.
right, very good. And this all of you have to practice. You write it as assignment. Write a cover letter to the personnel manager, Visakhapatnam Steel Plant, applying for the post of supervisor. Enclose your resume. These are the two things you have to write. Write in your assignment notebook. Do you have assignment notebook for second semester or not?
Yes, sir, we have.
Yeah, you please write in your assignment notebook. All of you have to write this. I will check on first or 2nd July. I will check. It has to be submitted. I hope you remember. Have you noted down the
Yes,
question?
Yes, sir.
Now, within a minute, we are going to get disconnected. As the topic is completed, we don't have to meet again. Tomorrow, we are going to take up note making. Okay? And then the day
Okay, sir.
after tomorrow, our final topic, writing a report. Tomorrow, note making. Day after tomorrow, writing a report or report writing. Day after tomorrow, we are going to complete our syllabus for second semester. And from the day following the day after tomorrow, let us try to revise the first semester syllabus for your end exam.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let us.
Okay, sir.
ఈ లోపల నేను ఇచ్చిన నోట్స్ చదవండి ఫస్ట్ సెమిస్టర్ నోట్స్ మొత్తం చదవండి tomorrow and day after
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
you please read
Yes.
the notes I have given. You can ask any if you have any doubt in the class.
Okay, sir.
Okay then, see you tomorrow by 11:30.